This is what I get for cutting the wood the day before. It's a little long. What's up, friends? Today we're going to be putting up the ceiling. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and give you guys tips along the way. So stay with us and we'll get this thing done. Next is going to be the plywood. This is 1/8" plywood. It's going to be going on the roof, and then the slats will be going on top of that. Good morning, friends. So last night we were able to put up this guy right here. Doesn't look like much because it's all black, but we're gonna go ahead, run slats all the way across. We were gonna use the tongue and groove. That probably would have been easier. As you saw last night, I fired in the brad nails into the wood and it didn't work. So plan B was to just end up using the screws instead, which we were gonna use anyway, but I thought, oh, maybe the brad nails will be able to keep it up a little bit better. Well, it didn't. It just punched through the 1/8" plywood. And I even set back the settings a little bit to keep the nails out of the wood as much as I could, but they ended up going through anyway. So we ended up using sheet metal screws with a flange on it so that it would keep the plywood up, almost like a roofing nail would keep the roofing on there. It's the same basic principle. Today we're gonna do, like I said, this side section here, and then I'm putting a cabinet over there, so we're not gonna put anything there. I'm just gonna back the cabinet with plywood. So, and then we'll do this, that back piece as well. Okay, all the ceiling's up. We're good to go there. Now, all we have to do is the hardest part. So right now we're gonna get these pine slats all laid out, sand them all down, and then stain them all. Then we'll do each one cut to size. All right, friends, so everything is sanded down, it's ready to go. Yeah, the next thing we gotta do is go ahead and stain this thing. We're gonna use a Golden Oak Premium Wood Stain by Varathane. So all of the pine slats are all stained, super pumped. I love how it looks. So yeah, next step is putting it up in the van. Okay, so hope you guys can see this. We marked out where our lights are gonna go. They're all gonna go on this same line. So this, basically this same piece of wood. So we marked out where the hole is gonna go here. Our electrical loop is sitting right here, as well as right here. So we just marked where we wanted it. We wanted it in relationship to where the seats are gonna go, so the kids can have more light, and then just behind the seats, so that we can have light just behind the seats. So we just cut out those ones, and now we just gotta install it. This is what I get for cutting the wood the day before. It's a little long. Here's the right wood. Ah, fits perfectly. Ah. Super stoked you guys got to hang out with me and put in this amazing ceiling. I know it's a little bit later, we have a whole bunch of stuff in here now and the walls are actually white, but it looks awesome now. We are super pumped. So if you guys haven't seen any of our videos, go ahead and hit this list right here. If you guys want to, go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys really want to see a cool video about how we did our electrical system, there's a video right here. All right guys, remember, create what you love. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.